Hey guys, how's it going today? I'm gonna give you guys a Coursiv review. And as you can see, we're on the Trustpilot, and surprisingly on the Trustpilot, they have a 4.4 rating. And like they say, hey, the first lesson is complete, and he just gave like a review based on the first lesson, things like that, as you can see. And this one is a 1 star, and they say it's a full scam. They hide their monthly subscription model and make it seem like you can choose a one-time payment for a more basic course, but they ended up charging me USD 39 3 times within 3 weeks, even after canceling my subscription. So yeah, this is something you need to be aware of. And then as you can see, the 28 subscription is not too expensive. However, once subscribed, there are other hidden fees. So as you can see, there are hidden fees involved, and this is by 2 people. And we can honestly go a bit more down and things like that. But let me tell you something, this entire thing is AI generated. The Coursiv is AI generated. These courses are not actually created by someone real. So whatever information AI has right now, it is using that to create a course. As you can see, we're on the Quora page, and based on like most of the comments, there's 2 things. First one is this is a scam analysis website, and then another person says that hey, every lesson contains a single sentence with no skills taught. Every sentence starts with discover how you can use AI too, but there's the actual lesson, just one sentence, that's it, and no refunds are provided. But yeah, this is it for the video. I would say go for either someone that is a direct mentor if you want to invest, but probably if I were you, I wouldn't go for this. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.